Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen in a Discord voice channel in just a few simple steps. First, click the voice channel you want to join. In this example, I'm joining Late Night Gaming, and wait for Discord to connect you. Once you see voice connected in the bottom left, click the Share Your Screen icon just above the Disconnect button to open the sharing options. A system dialog appears asking what you want to share. You can pick a specific window or your entire screen. For this example, I'm selecting the Window tab and choosing a browser window, then click the blue Share button at the bottom right to start the stream. Your screen is now live in the channel, and you'll see a small preview window showing what everyone else is viewing. You can close that preview by clicking the X in the top right corner. If the Share Your Screen button is grayed out, make sure you've actually joined the voice channel first. You need to be voice connected before you can start a stream. To stop sharing at any time, just click the Share Your Screen icon again, and select Stop Streaming. Keep in mind that only one person can share their screen at a time in a voice channel, so if someone else is already streaming, you'll need to wait until they stop. And that's how to share your screen in a Discord voice channel. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.